Is the existence of life on Earth a mathematical miracle or a scientific inevitability? For decades, we have wrestled with the staggering odds against our own existence, questioning how something as complex as life could ever begin. Today, we explore a groundbreaking study that suggests the answer lies not in luck, but in the very structure of our universe and its branches. Published in the journal Insights in Science and Technology, this study, authored by Makoto Yasukawa, director of Senryo Coatries Limited, provides a new lens on our cosmic origins. To understand this breakthrough, we must first look at the famous argument posed by Dr. Fred Hoyle. Hoyle famously compared the random emergence of life to a tornado sweeping through a junkyard and assembling a Boeing 747. He argued that the probability of life arising on Earth from non-living matter was so low it was effectively impossible in a single universe. However, this new research demonstrates that even if Hoyle's probability calculations are correct, life would still inevitably arise. The secret lies in the existence of branched universes, a concept that moves beyond mere hypothesis into the realm of testable physics. In a branched structure, every potential outcome is explored. If a path exists for life, the universe will eventually take it. The study suggests that the sheer number of branches ensures that even the rarest events become certainties elsewhere in the multiverse. By exhausting every mathematical possibility across these branches, life stops being a fluke and becomes a requirement of the system. This means that while the chance on any one planet is near zero, the number of attempts across branches is effectively infinite. Crucially, the study asserts that these branched universes are not just theoretical constructs, they are experimentally verifiable. The paper describes specific methods for doing so, moving this from the realm of philosophy into hard observational science. By observing specific quantum fluctuations and gravitational markers, researchers can identify the footprints of these branches. These methods allow us to map the neighborhood of our universe, confirming our place within a much larger branched system. The research details how these signatures can be captured using existing high-precision astronomical and particle physics instruments. Through careful data correlation, we can now prove that our universe is one of many interconnected paths in a vast cosmic tree. The existence of these branched structures makes the emergence of habitable planets virtually inevitable across the multitude of universes. Even if the probability of life arising on a single planet is extremely low, the sheer scale of the branched system guarantees its birth. This provides a robust scientific explanation for the origin of life on Earth, removing the need for miracles or extreme luck. Furthermore, the study shows that the emergence of humankind was a result of life arising by chance within this system. We are a natural outcome of the universe's inherent drive to explore all branches of existence and complexity. Our evolution was not predestined, but rather a lucky roll of the dice in a branch that allowed for our specific complexity to thrive. One of the most profound implications is that the anthropic principle, the idea that the universe is fine-tuned for us, does not need to be assumed. We don't need a fine-tuned universe if we have a branched one that covers every possibility. We are here because a branch allowed it. Interestingly, this study also suggests that no other extraterrestrial civilizations exist in the same universe as Earth. While life is inevitable in the branched structure as a whole, it is so rare that it likely occurs only once per specific universe. This explains why we have never heard from others. We may be the only inhabitants of our particular cosmic branch. This research redefines our place in the multiverse, moving us from a cosmic accident to a structural certainty. It shifts our perspective from being lucky survivors to being the inevitable result of a vast, branching physical process. To summarize, life's origin is solved by the branched structure of our reality, making the impossible certain. We invite you to read the full study in Insights in Science and Technology to explore these verification methods in detail. We thank Makoto Yasukawa for this visionary work that bridges the gap between our past and our future. A new horizon in science and technology. Thank you for watching.